Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, today we've got for you a lovely, a stunning fountain pen. Now you regular viewers that watch my videos on a regular basis, you may have actually seen it here. There you go, you can see it comes in a little case. There you go, a lovely example, lovely colour, in nice condition as it is, but let's just clean it up and see how it comes out. And here's the pen in question. As we said, it comes in this lovely sort of, is it leather or leatherette case, as you can see, a zip case. And if we unzip it, there we go. Look at that. A gorgeous, gorgeous set. Nice to see that it's got a matching case with the matching colour of the pen and the pencil. So let's put the case to one side and, what have we got for you? Nice and simple. What we've got here is the Rue pen and the Rue pencil, both in this gorgeous, gorgeous blue and sort of black marbling colour. Now, first of all, let's just go, because you people know I'm a pen person, but let's just run through the pencil very quickly. There you go, a gorgeous pencil. It's got gold filled trim on it. You can see it's got the cone here. It's got a lovely this one's actually the Rue clip, as you can see to the top there, the Rue logo. It's a ball clip, a black finial to the top, and it has these two gold bands to the very top there. Now, like I say, I'm still working with this new camera, so I don't know how close it'll go to focus, but hopefully you may see, you may not. It reads, in this particular case, the Rue pencil, and then underneath it says Great Britain. Okay, lovely clear imprint, and if we turn, there you go, you can see the lead coming in and out of the cone to the very top there. So that's the pencil, and here's the fountain pen. Once again, let's show you the barrel imprint. Okay, the barrel imprint in this case reads the Rue pen, and then underneath it has made in Great Britain. Now, the reason it says made in Great Britain is I believe this pen and the pencil was made around about the 1930s, and I believe the pen and the pencil, or the set, was actually made at their Scottish plant at Strathendry in Fife. Because what actually Rue did, I believe it was around about 1927, they moved their production of pens, etc., over to Strathendry in Scotland. And as I say, that was around about 1927. I believe this pen is dated round about the 1930s, so everything sort of seems correct, and I believe that's why it's made, or it's imprinted with made in Great Britain. Okay, but as you can see, in both cases, absolutely gorgeous. In fact, this is actually one of the best condition Rues I've actually seen. It's in absolutely, and I don't like using the word, but it's in mint condition. It's absolutely gorgeous. The size of this pen capped is 125 millimeters capped. around the barrel, it's a lovely 11mm in diameter. As you can see, or you may have seen, it's a lever fill fountain pen, so it's got this lovely sort of quite a plain and sort of longish lever, as you can see there. If we take it up to the cap, as with the pencil, you can see it has these two cap bands, as you can see there, and again, similar to the pencil, it's got this lovely ball clip, which is quite sort of right for the period. And once again, to the very top of the clip, it has the Thomas Delarue logo. And then to the very top there, we've got this lovely sort of black finial to the very top of the cap there, as you can see. Now, some of you people would have seen these pens, and you would have actually seen the logo slightly different, because the logo that they also used on the Delarue pens it was actually a circle, if you like, with inside it had what we term as a sunburst. So, you know, some of you may see these pens with the the Thomas Delarue, and some of you would have seen it with the sunburst logo. In fact, I did actually show you a black version of this pen quite a while ago. I'll leave you a link to the top so you can go and have a look at that. But I believe they made these pens in numerous different colours. This one, as I say, personally, it's in absolutely stunning condition. There's no wear to the plate anywhere. It's in beautiful condition. The imprint is lovely, crisp and deep. And then also, if I take you down to the bottom of the barrel there, you can see it's got this black section to the bottom, and again, nice and crisp and clear. It has the model 1332, and then if I rotate it slightly, it also has, I'm not sure if it's actually a C or a O for Oscar, but it's a C5. The C5 maybe is, you know, the colour of this particular model, because as I say, I know they brought out numerous different colours of this particular model. But this one, yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Now, I was seriously considering keeping this pen, but unfortunately needs must. And unfortunately I'm going to we're going to try and find a new home for it, so hopefully somebody will enjoy it for many years to come. Let's unscrew the cap for you there. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles, as you can see there. If we take you to the section, you can see the section, it's a sort of, yeah, a slight taper towards the nib. It's got a little ridge at the nib there, and then you can see it's got a gorgeous nib there, which is a warranted 14 carat, and then it has the TDLR and Company Limited, and then to the very bottom it has the number 33, so the correct nib for the pen. Okay, let's show you it may be a little bit of a different angle. Let's show you the feed underneath. As always, you can see lovely and clean as it should be. The pen has, well, to be honest with you, the pen has been totally disassembled and cleaned, although it did not need a lot of work. I've put a brand new sack in it, so it's ready for the new owner. But yeah, you know, personally I'd like to sort of clean everything, and as you can see there, the ladder feed is nice and clean, in my opinion, as it should be. So it's ready to go for somebody to enjoy. Even with my large hands, it's still a nice, comfortable pen to hold. Now, as most times, because we've put a new sack in it, because we're, I'm going to leave the pleasure of somebody filling the pen for the first time with ink. So what I'm going to do, let's just do a dip test to see how the pen writes. So what we've got is the DLR pen. As I said, this one is the number 1332, and then, as I say, I'm not sure if it's C5 or 05, but made in Great Britain, and when, made round about the 1930s, as we said earlier. Does it have any flex? If it does, there we go, very, very slightly. Okay, but yeah, writing very nicely indeed. Okay, so it's a Delarue, little bit of, actually, is it maybe a little bit of a stubbish nib? But there you can see, writing with a lovely variation in line. Okay, so somebody is going to enjoy this gorgeous pen for many years to come. As I say, I don't like using the word. For me, mint has got to be a pen that is, if you like, ex-stock. But yeah, this set is absolutely stunning. The colour, as you can quite rightly see yourself there, is absolutely beautiful. These blue marbling, different shades of blue with sort of specks of black. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, this will be a set or a pen that I'll be actually a little bit sad to part with, but hey ho, needs must. Oh, and one thing we didn't show you, so I know some people like to see it writing as well, so there you go. So we've got the Rue Pencil. So there we go, we've got a lovely pencil with lead in full working order as well. And there we have it, a Delarue pencil, matching pencil, and an absolutely stunning Delarue 1332 fountain pen. Absolutely beautiful condition, excellent condition in my opinion, and somebody is going to get themselves a stunning pen. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen. As always, as much as I like showing them to you, don't forget, leave a comment below. Just down there, there's a sort of thumb symbol. Press that to say that you enjoyed the video, please. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Subscribe to the channel. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me and these gorgeous pens, I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.